This is only my the second island workshop. Watching over the other side of the island, making sure there are no intruders.
Doesn't like
It's like a very
water.
kind of chase.
Yeah. Tuxedo cat.
Ganda.
Yung earn nasa bunganga niya.
Tama. Naintindihan nyo. Yeah.
Walang hangin sa loob ng exhibit.
That's where it's coming from. Tama, madami nga pala kayong events na sinasalihan.
Kawawa, kahit yung mga contractor namin na.
Basta nga yung forest na basta. Okay.
Dami.
Kasi
Madami.
mag-aano ka na talaga.
Diba?
Let's fix this area. It was a line. It was a whole line. Fish, algae, right? Walang what? Yeah, they're not big. They're just
Tatlong kamay pero
Pero parang,
okay na.
ito dito, parang
mean because people search there through that.
I guess it's freedom.
It's all me.
Ang cute! Ayun.